Hey guys, what's up? It's Garrett. How's everybody doing today? Hope you're all doing great. I am out here in this hot-ass October weather still in Louisiana and working on the Rotten Rescue again today. What I'm doing today is a little bit of brake repair. I mentioned before in some other videos that it had a rusted through front brake line. Wasn't like that when I got it, but it was ready because the first time I got on the brakes hard, pumped them up, it blew a hole in the line. So that's what I'm fixing today. And the line is well, from your ABS motor and all here, there's two lines that go down, and they go down to the frame. These are both of your front brake lines. Now the biggest, most significant part of this is that it's 3/16 brake line. Down here where it connects to your soft line, it is a regular 3/8 flare nut. But up here where it connects together to the short lines for the ABS motor, it's metric. This is 13 millimeter, and the other nut, the male nut, is 12 millimeter metric. And instead of being just like a double flare coupler, it's a double flare on the motor side and a fucking bubble flare on the other side. And guess what I don't have? I don't have a bubble flaring tool. I've got regular flaring tools, but no bubble flaring tool. So I got a 40-inch piece of 3/16 line from Napa, and I bent up my own. I just used the old line as a template, and man, these compound angles and bends and stuff, it's tough to follow, especially when it's already messed up and bent from whatever, I don't know, 20 years of abuse. But so one end is already on properly, and you'll see that the 40-inch piece came up just a few inches short. So what I'm going to do there is just, instead of doing the stupid ass loop around shit, I'm just going to bend them to match each other under there. There's plenty of extra room. I don't know why they did it like that. But what I have to do now is, you'll see I got this handy dandy double flare coupler on both sides, and they were out of regular 3/16 flare nut ends at Napa, so I had to buy a whole nother short ass piece of line just to steal a connector off, a 50-cent connector. So I'm going to cut the bubble flare off of that, put a regular 3/16 flare nut on, or well, 3/8 flare nut, 3/16 line, flare nuts 3/8. Put that on there, and I'm going to double flare the end, and then I'll use this coupler to connect them together, because there's no reason for dumb shit like that. I mean, I know the factory did it because engineers are retarded, but there's no reason for me to go back together with it the same way, or buy a bubble flaring tool just for some stupid ass shit that I'm probably going to get rid of later. So that's what I'm going to use. And that was like $4.95 for everything there. So to bend it up, I just used my old Imperial Eastman bending set, and this thing is actually really cool. It's antique. It came in a military machine shop truck. It was full of tools, and the old man didn't want a lot of the tools. He was just building a camper out of the thing, so he said I could have what I wanted. So I took a few things that I thought would be useful, and it's old as the hills, but everything in it's basically new. So you see, it's got everything to bend up to, I don't know, probably, 3/4 or 1-inch tube. So, and that's just the bending of it. This is a quarter inch and 5/16. I don't have the 3/16 one. I don't know what happened to it. I don't think it was in there when I got the thing. Let's see. The flaring kit is also same company, and it is pretty complete. I've got all of my little, double flaring attachments and the anvil and everything I need. Even you know, copper line hand benders to keep the tube from collapsing, and some other random shit. Probably shouldn't be in there anymore. But. So, just wanted to show you guys that, and, you know, tell you what you had to look out for. This stupid ass metric fucking bubble flare bullshit. I mean, why standard on one end and regular flare and metric fucking bubble flare horse shit on the other end? There's no reason for this. Look at that. Why? Ugh. You know, I should have gone to school and gotten a degree and actually became a fucking automotive engineer, because I swear to God, all it takes is a little bit of common sense, and any of these guys could be like the leading automotive engineer in the world if they just made shit that made sense. And it's even worse than this today. If any of you are mechanics, you know, work on your own stuff, I'm sure most of you do, you know it's only gotten worse since 1995. So I could bitch about this all day. We could have a discussion and all different brands and all different makes and models. They all have retarded ass stuff on them. So this truck is not immune, unfortunately. Anyway, hey, thanks for watching, guys. You know, just trying to leave you guys a little update every day or two. So if you like the video, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these. You know, hit the little bell button down there that'll let you know when I post a new video, which is almost every day. And share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you later.